how to fix Xfinity Wi-Fi box online light not on. So the first thing you can go ahead and try is to check your coax connections and active outlets. So ensure the coax cable is firmly connected at both the gateway and wall outlet, and if you've moved the gateway, it's possible that the new outlet isn't activated. So you can try connecting it back to a previously used outlet to confirm if this is the problem. The next is to power cycle the gateway, so unplug the both power and coax cables, wait about 30 seconds, then reconnect the cables. Wait 3 minutes for the device to boot and try to reconnect and see if this helps the issue. And the next is to test outlet and hardware. So if still dark, test the outlet with another device or try a different outlet. If other lights like power or the DS or US are on but online remains off, that strongly indicates a coax or service issue. Only if all the lights are off should you suspect a power issue and check the adapter port or try another outlet. But if not, you can go ahead and try other methods. You can go ahead and determine if the line is active. So use Xfinity status page or app to check for outages or certain interruptions specifically to you. Still offline, the cable line might be inactive or cut, needing a service technician visit. So you'll need a tech out to connect the other end of your line to the live Comcast feed. So with that in mind, you're gonna have to call Xfinity support or schedule a tech visit. So if no co-export issues appear on your end, you can always go ahead and try reaching out to Xfinity support to confirm if the outlet is activated, and if not, schedule a tech visit for line activation or troubleshooting. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.